Guys, I have done suspension videos, club car golf carts, until I am blue in the face. So I am going to just link in the description and in the comments on how to repair this. I just get this off the ground, and I just want to show you the amount of wore out parts and why they I can't understand how you can literally keep driving this thing and not freaking know that you have an issue. Let me shed some light on this for you. Those bushings are completely fried. Both sides. This one's even worse. My goodness, folks. Hey, in the description, like I said below, I'll have the video on how to fix this and fix it right. Y'all go follow that. Y'all go click on that. If you guys have club car golf carts, let me know in the comments. Y'all have a good day. More Medic One.